Hi guys, welcome to yet another YouTube video. I wanted to introduce this video first. So this is on a Sunday, and yesterday on a Saturday we went to purchase something that I'm excited to show you guys, and we went to the shop in Sarit, Hot Point. That's where I still got my washing machine. They have quite good deals with what is currently going, and I think it's ending sometime in October. Yes, sometime in October, around 23rd in October. So you guys, if you're interested to buy things for your home, also the small appliances, the big appliances, they're all currently in sale. So let me show you what I got, and yeah, I'm pretty excited about it simply because the one that I have, I'll tell you a story about it. So I got this one, the smart pot cooking pot from NutriCook, and this is the 4 liters one. So we have just unboxed it with you, and I want to go try cook. So it comes with a manual. So this is a manual, and then this is a manual in another language that you definitely don't need this, so I just put it there, or rather I'll just throw it. It's electric, so you plug this in your power socket. So this is how it looks like. I initially wanted the 8-liter one, but it was so big, so big. So it definitely has a lid. It comes with there's like a measuring cup that measures up to 160 ml 3/4. It comes with 2 serving spoons. This is just for if you want to steam anything, your veggies, your whatevers, you put it here. So that is how it looks like. So it comes like that. So this is 6 liters. And then the inside, that's how it looks like. And that is the functions are all here. I will need time to read the book before I start using it. So that's it from the unboxing of the smart pot. I guess I'll see you guys later, or I'll see you guys tomorrow because I have few errands I need to run. Hi guys, so today is Wednesday, and I want to go do my nails tomorrow because they are one has already come off, and these ones are 3 weeks strong. 3 weeks strong. So this will be the 4th week. So we want to go and do our nails. We'll do that very early tomorrow morning. So hi guys, so this is the following day, and I realized yesterday while I was doing a DIY, I didn't show you the hair, though it was there on your screen. So this is the hair that I got. Starts with black, brown, and ends with blonde, and I used all the 3 packs. I only remained with 2 strands of the hair, and I did individual method 1-1. So let me just take down the bun. So that is how the hair looks like. You can play around with the colors with the bun. That is how it looks like. I love hair that has like character, and this is neither from Angels or from Darling. It's another brand. I think you saw that already. And let me show you the length from the back. So that is how it looks like. So far it has been 3 days. The braid is really light, and the texture is a little bit ragged, so don't expect it to have like a finish clean texture when you're putting it on, because my hair is really long. And as you can see, I just want to show you one. As you can see, my hair comes up to around there. You can see black. So this is my hair. So it comes up to around there. So for me, short braids, they're not doing much for me. So it's pretty long, and this braid is reusable. That is what I love about it. So from the front, if you're going to work, it's all black, but it's giving character at the back. And that's it for the hair. I just wanted to come here and show you the hair all dressed up because the girl is going out. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. So before we sign out, also did my nails. I did my nails black and pink and white. So that is what I got. A very nice manicure. Also did pedicure, baby blue, some scrubbing. I think you've seen that video already. Yes, so that is what we were up to yesterday. So I'll see you guys later. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Barbara, and here we do a lot of lifestyle, beautiful, inspiring content. So today, being on a Monday, I want to rush to go do errands, and I'm going to do errands both for myself and for a client. So I started this business of doing errands for clients of the places that I mostly visit, like Eastleigh, Kamukunji, Gikomba, the places that I visit to get the clients what they want, with a small fee, of course, my fee, and I ship them to you at your own cost wherever you want them to go. So that is what I'm planning to do today. And today I'm going to Eastleigh. I'm going to get curtains, and the lady, I have 3 ladies. They both have different tastes, which is good, and I'll try source for what they were looking for, have them stitched, put them in a parcel, then send them over to their destinations. So if you are looking to purchase anything and you are not in Nairobi and you want to purchase anything, kindly reach out to me on my Instagram, or I'll leave a number down in the description so you guys can go check it out. So let me head, and that is how we are looking today. This is just simple look. I just did this hair band, and this band I have oh, I thought it was something else, but this is a hair band that I made. I have just put it there for vibes. And the hair, I got this top from Gikomba for 30 bob, and just simple jeans. I've not put on what shoes, because my shoes are in the other room. This is my bag for the day, and I'm about to head out. So see you guys on the road. See you guys when I get the stuff, but I'm not so sure about the client stuff because they're being stitched and shipped the same day, so I'm not coming with them to the house, which is a bit okay, because you can imagine all those cutters, carry them here and then again carry them to the station. But I guess I'll show you guys what we'll get for myself and back here to this house. So guys, see you at the shops.
You can see straight through my life. Oh, there's something in my chest that I can't hide. When feelings get involved, I'm terrified. 'Cause I've been here before and said goodbye. Oh, are you the one when I try to look, I wish I'd find? Oh, how can I love when I've been hurt 100 times? For you I give it one more try. Turn away and wrestle with my doubts. Oh, I leave them all behind, but don't know how. Bury my head deep within the crowd, but I'm reaching for your hand to pull me out. Oh,
So hi guys, so this is the following day, and I want to show you actually a few items that I got in Eastleigh, and I think I'll take you to that video first, show you exactly what is in that shop. I went to 2 shops, and I leave the contact of the guy that I bought the items from, because he has quite a variety of items, and they have 2 shops, but I didn't manage to go to the second shop. But yes, I did manage to go to the second shop because I couldn't shoot like 2 shops from one supplier, if at all I'm making sense. So the things that I got from Eastleigh, first and foremost, I got myself curtain holders, and this is how they look like. So a pair like this was 400 shillings, and I just bought only 2 pairs of it, So because I have 2 windows in the living room, I bought this one pair and this other pair, because I already have those wall hangs. Are they called wall hangs? I really don't know what they're called, but the ones that you drill on the wall and you use this to hold your curtains. I'll show you when the end product is done. So I bought 2 of them. These ones were 800 shillings. And I specifically went for sheer. I bought 10 meters of sheer, 5 meters for each window, and I didn't have them stitched in because I have a sewing machine. I was trying to save on cost, so I only bought as they were. So these are just pieces of materials, and I want to show you the print. It has like gold print in it. Yes, that is how it looks like. It was 280 per meter, but he sold it at 270 per meter. So I took these ones because they match so well with these ones, and because I'm thinking of changing my mustard curtains to something else that I don't know, I chose this the design because it has gold, and my carpet also has gold. So 10 meters. So all this is 5 meters. All this is 5 meters, and I have the other 5 meters in my, and I have the other 5 meters in here. The other thing that I got, not from Eastleigh, I got these ones from River Road, is 3 meters of white cotton fabric, because I need to refill pillows, and I need to make fresh new pillows. I need to make 1 larger pillow for the bedroom because I have 2 already, and I think 1 will balance the equation out and it will look a bit balanced. Yes, that's the thing that I want to do. So I bought this one, 3 meters, and I have a whole lot of fiber here. I bought mine from Glitter Foam into Rivers, and they sold it 400 per kg, so I bought 3 kgs, which I'm sure they will be enough to refill all the pillows and have another new pillows that I want to add in my home. So those are the things that I got. So right now I want to stitch these ones and wash them and then put them up. I will show you the finish look of these ones, but I'm still contemplating of getting another set of curtains, but not the mustard, because I think I'm over the mustard right now. I want a neutral color for the living room. Probably I'll move the mustard to my son's bedroom. That way they can be useful somewhere else. So those are the things that I want to do and accomplish probably by the end of the year. So I want to go measure the exact measurement so that it hits the floor at the right point. So let me go measure and then stitch, then show you the finished look. So I have decided for the pillow covers, I measured the bigger pillow covers that we did a while back. So this is one. This time round I put a zipper so that I can just fill fiber inside. That way it's easier to wash these pillows, because Basically I'll just be removing the fiber, washing, then put it back. Ooh. Then put the fiber back, then just zip it. So I have made one larger one, and then I also made one lumbar pillow, and I've also put a zipper in there. So it's just a matter of putting fiber and just putting pillow covers and then just putting them on the bed. So let's put the fiber now. It's here. So this is the lumbar pillow. So that is one. And just like that, I have pillows. So I have now 3 of these. So this one makes the other one. So they are pretty much the same size. And I now have a new lumbar pillow for decorative. So if I could put a pillow cover in it, just like that, I have a lumbar pillow cover. The larger pillow covers, I got this from Gikosh, paired it up with a white, put a zipper. So I have 2 pillows of this. So the third one will be just a neutral color middle pillow cover. So this one goes back here, since I was just doing measurements. So this is one. The other one, it's on the bed. So this one will be white. So I'll have to put this one's ready to my bed. So let me do that. Today is on Friday, a day after Mashujaa Day, and yesterday I went to pick parcels. I thought these things will come the same day as I bought them, so I shipped them from Aliexpress, and I wanted to show you. So there are other items that are also coming that I also bought. I'll show you when they come, but let's unbox what got here first. And I bought them off Aliexpress, and they were really cheap. So they come wrapped, and it is egg organizer. It's gray in color. So it comes with 2 layers, like 2 racks, and this is just an acrylic thing. So yeah, that is how it looks like. You can actually repurpose this. It can act as a vase. Already have an egg organizer that I bought in kamukunji. This thing in kamukunji is pricey. I'll put the kamukunji price over here, and I'll put the price that I bought, and they were quite affordable when I bought them, because I think they were running a sale. So I bought 3 of these. So one is here and another one is here, the same gray color. Already open to check if they were still in good condition, and I can confirm they are still in good condition. So if you like to purchase any of the 2 items that are here, let me know, and then I will ship them to you at a cost, and they'll be very affordable. And I want to go wash it and then put my eggs in here, because this one is vibes in my kitchen. So let's go and put the eggs here, then show you how they look like.
Are you the one? When I try to look, I wish I'd find